Hey guys, the Gadget Man here, and today I'm going to be showing you this Imazing IM27 2000 amp portable jump start and power bank. Okay guys, so 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Alright guys, so this was sent to me for free to do this review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. You know me, I'm going to show you this thing and take it out and test it in real world circumstances and see how it performs. Alright guys, but first let's break it out of the box. Alright, so it comes with this nice little hard case here for carrying in your car. Here is our jumper cables right here. This is a USB-C charging cable, and it has a DC power adapter here if you want to plug something into, say, your power port, like the things that you use in your car. This would be what you would use here. Instruction manual and our jumper here. Let's go ahead and break it out. It's got a little protective case on it here. Alright, so it's got kind of a nice rubberized feel to it. Not too anti-slip, but definitely feels ruggedized there. We see here we've got our DC charge port here, or DC. This is our DC out, so this is where this is going to plug in right here. Okay, and then you can plug whatever you want to power here. Okay, this is your in or out, so you can use this as an in port for charging or an out port for power. Okay, on the front here we have a couple of power ports. We have a USB 3 power port and a USB 2 power port here, and we have a flashlight. This door right here covers the. This door right here covers up this little port right here, which is where you're going to plug this in like this, like that, and that's where you're going to get your power from. And it has a flashlight, and I think you probably, by pressing and holding it, we see here, and we turn it on, it shows that it has 73% power. And if you hold that button down, you should turn that flashlight on. Okay. And you have flasher for emergency. That's an SOS signal there. Okay. And then we have the SOS. Okay. And then pressing it again goes into warning flasher mode. And then on constant. And if you want to turn it off, just press and hold the button down again, and it'll turn it off. So there's your basic functions. There's your battery gauge right there. And so what I'm going to do is charge this baby up and go out and try to start something with it. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and hook this baby up. I've got a little Honda here, and the battery's fully charged. So I've disconnected the positive lead to the battery post because there's no other way to test it if it's fully charged. And so let me go ahead and show you how to connect this. First thing we need to do, lift this little door right here, okay, and connect the jumpers to the system itself, okay. That done, we're going to connect the negative black clamp to the negative post. The battery will have a positive and negative symbol right here, and so that tells you which is positive and negative. And normally the wires to the positive are going to be red, but on this one there's black, so look for the little positive symbol there. Now you can't see it, but there's a little blue light on the the jumper cables here box, and then when you get it connected correctly, there'll be a green light that appears on this side. All right. Now this is not made to actually jump a car that is completely dead with no battery, so you actually have to, I'm going to have to connect it, and then the little green light will turn on, and then I will disconnect it, and then we can start the car. Okay, so it started up just fine. Now it's important that you disconnect everything after starting a car and wait for a period of at least 30 seconds if not more, for it to cool down before trying a second attempt. You can try multiple attempts and you can see how much battery you remain. Never try to start a car with the battery registering below 20%. But you can start the same car multiple times or multiple different cars. That is how you use this system, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. I will place a link to this product in the description of the video if you're interested in it. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.